Hi everyone, this is Technology Guide. In this video, I will show you how to repair home appliances remote controls like TV, AC and audio devices. Most of the remote control devices do not work in the long run, so don't throw it away. Some keys like on and off keys may not work properly in long run. It may due to rust deposit on PCB or maybe battery terminals dirty. You can see here, some keys are not working properly and on and off buttons are completely not working. In this case, by cleaning the remote PCB, we can make it work. Let us proceed with some simple steps. We can see some rust deposited area here, so there is no conduction takes place. Then remove the batteries and clean the remote control terminals with small solution of alcohol using a cotton bud or some soft cloth, but I prefer it with eraser as a cleaner.